Yaar, I remember my cousin ki shadi last year. It was full on chaos, the good kind. Lekin the biggest confusion was not about the food or the outfits. No. It was about the wedding gift. My parents were like, "Chalo, gold coin dete hain. It's shagun, it's an investment." But my aunties were all like, "Arre, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Ek chota sa pendant do, kitna classy lagega." I was just standing there totally confused. Ek taraf, the heavy traditional feel of gold. Dusri taraf, the sparkling modern vibe of a diamond. It felt like a scene from a movie where you have to choose between tradition and trend. This wasn't just about a gift, you guys. It was a bigger question. A question that I think all of us youngsters face at some point. जब हम अपनी फर्स्ट सैलरी से कुछ सेव करते हैं या कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन आता है तो ये सवाल ज़रूर आता है, सोना या हीरा, gold or diamond? What is the smarter choice? It's not just about what looks prettier. It's about our hard-earned money. It's about building a future. And let's be honest, we all want to make smart money moves, right? We want our investments to grow, to be there for us when we need them. So this confusion is super real and super important for our generation. In India, gold and diamonds are not just pieces of metal or stone. They are emotions. Gold is like that warm hug from your nani. It's connected to festivals like Diwali and Dhanteras, weddings, and the birth of a child. It's a symbol of prosperity, of Lakshmi Ji's blessings. Every family has that one special gold necklace जो पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी चला आ रहा है. It's pure tradition. Diamonds, on the other hand, are the new age cool kids. They represent promises, engagements, and modern celebrations. They are marketed as a symbol of eternal love and status. So the battle is not just financial, it's emotional and cultural too. So, I decided to do a little deep dive. Thoda research kiya, logon se baat ki, and tried to figure out the real deal. What's the actual difference between these two? Forget the ads and the emotional taglines for a second. Let's talk facts. Let's talk about value, price trends, and what happens when you actually need to sell them. Because an investment is only good if it helps you in the long run. So, let's get into this together and break it down. Simple style. No complicated financial jargon, I promise. Just real talk for real people like you and me. Narrator 1.0x. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really helps us bring more such content to you. Now let's dive deeper. Let's talk about gold first. Sona. The OG investment? The thing our parents and grandparents swear by. The biggest plus point of gold is its universal value. It's like a global currency. Aap India mein ho ya America mein, gold is gold. Its price is standardized across the world. This makes it super liquid. Liquid matlab, you can easily convert it into cash whenever you want. Just walk into almost any jeweler and they will buy it from you based on the day's market rate. This safety and ease of selling is gold's superpower. It's the emergency fund that also looks beautiful. Gold is also deeply rooted in our traditions. Hum gold ko poojte hain. It's a sign of wealth and security passed down through generations. Think about Akshaya Tritiya, when buying gold is considered auspicious. This cultural significance creates a constant demand, which helps in keeping its value stable and mostly on the rise. Gold prices might go up and down in the short term, but if you look at the long-term trend, it has almost always given good returns. It's like that reliable friend who is always there for you, no matter what. It's a safe bet against inflation, meaning it protects the value of your money over time. Now let's switch to the sparkly side, diamonds. Here. The marketing for diamonds is just brilliant, right? A diamond is forever. This one line has probably sold more diamonds than anything else. They are sold as a symbol of ultimate luxury and lifelong commitment. Engagement rings, anniversary gifts. Diamonds are all about marking those special, personal milestones. They make you feel special, glamorous, and successful. The emotional value of a diamond is extremely high, especially when it's a gift from someone you love. It's less of a commodity and more of a personal treasure. But here's the tricky part. Unlike gold, diamonds don't have a standard objective market price. The value of a diamond depends on the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, and carat. And who decides this? The seller. Do you know how to check all these things perfectly? I don't. This makes the pricing very subjective. Also, the moment you buy a diamond and walk out of the store, its resale value drops significantly. Think of it like a new car. Jewelers have huge markups on diamonds, and when you go to sell it, you rarely get back what you paid. It's more of a retail product than a true investment asset. Let's get practical. Imagine you have 50,000 rupees saved up. You walk into a jewelry store. With that money, you can buy a solid gold chain or a pair of beautiful earrings. You will get a proper bill that mentions the weight of the gold and the making charges. The value is transparent. You know exactly how much gold you own. Now, for the same 50,000 rupees, you might get a very tiny diamond, probably set in a ring or a small pendant. The jeweler will tell you about its amazing quality, but it's hard for a normal person to verify that. The actual value is much harder to pinpoint. Now, fast forward 5 years. You need some urgent cash. You take that gold chain back to a jeweler. They will weigh it, check the purity, and give you cash based on that day's gold rate, minus a small amount. The process is quick and simple. Now try selling that diamond ring. It's a completely different story. Most jewelers are hesitant to buy back diamonds, especially if you didn't buy from them. Even if they do, they will offer you a price that is much, much lower than what you paid. The forever part suddenly seems to apply only to you owning it, not its value. Let's talk about safety and storage. Keeping gold at home can be a risk, sure. But today, we have so many options. You can buy digital gold, gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or sovereign gold bonds issued by the government. These are super safe. You don't have to worry about theft, and you can buy them for as little as 100 rupees. SGBs even pay you extra interest every year. Diamonds, however, are mostly physical. You have to buy the stone. And if you have a high-value diamond, you need to get it insured and store it in a locker, which adds to the cost and hassle. For us, the young generation, ease and flexibility are everything. We want things on our phones, with a few clicks. Gold offers that. You can track gold prices online every day. You can invest in digital gold through apps like PhonePe or Grow. It's so simple. With diamonds, the process is still very traditional and offline. You have to go to a store, trust the jeweler, and the whole process lacks the transparency we are used to in this digital age. So, for a generation that values convenience and clarity, gold seems to fit much better into our lifestyle. So, after all this discussion, what's the verdict? If you're looking at it purely from an investment point of view, gold is the clear winner. It's safer, more reliable, and much easier to sell. It has a long history of protecting and growing wealth. Gold is a smart, practical choice for building your financial foundation. It's the sensible investment your parents would be proud of, and for good reason. It's a real asset that holds real value globally. Think of gold as your financial safety net. It's not the most glamorous, maybe, but it's the one that will actually catch you if you fall. Does this mean diamonds are useless? Not at all. Diamonds are beautiful. They hold immense sentimental value. If you're buying a diamond for an engagement or as a gift to celebrate a special moment, go for it. Buy it for the joy and the memories it represents. But think of it as a luxury expense, not a financial investment. It's like buying a designer handbag or an expensive phone. You buy it because you love it and it makes you happy, not because you expect its price to increase. The happiness it brings is its return, not the money. My advice to all my friends, all you amazing young people out there, is to be smart and informed. Don't get swayed just by shiny ads or peer pressure. Understand the difference between an expense and an investment. Start investing in gold early, even with small amounts. SGBs are a fantastic option for young investors. They are safe, government-backed, and give you extra interest. Build a solid foundation with assets like gold. Once you are financially secure, you can absolutely spend on diamonds and other luxuries to celebrate your success. It's about creating that balance. Ultimately, the power is in your hands, your money, your decision. But make it a smart one. Do your own research, talk to people, and choose what's right for your financial goals. Don't just follow the trend, create a smart future for yourself. So what are your thoughts on this? Gold or diamond? What has been your experience? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a conversation and learn from each other. And hey, don't forget to be awesome and keep making those smart choices. Until next time.